Okay, I am Sujikaran Saththiyanathan from Sri Lanka. I'm an undergraduate student. Now I am the developer of this project. Usually I'm the junior system administrator on of the company. My project title is Digital Time Reduce Management System. The project is designed based on a preliminary study that had been carried with small and medium enterprise sectors in Sri Lanka. So I interviewed some small enterprises, and one of my friends working one of the small sector. So I checked what are the problems they are facing on their daily routine works. The function only focused on solving a major problem, which is the procurement management problem, which means usually for a management company, they have so many routine works. For example, they need to daily check their stock availability, and they send a remind to customer the outstanding balance details, and they sometimes users send a quotation request, they repeat a quotation, they send a purchasing order, they create an invoice. So there is so many daily routine works. So I try to solve those things through this project. So I'm using only email automation and the Excel automation. Both features are only developed this project. So overview of the project, first of all, accept the mail from the customer and validate the customer. Purpose of these things. So we need develop a static format for a quotation request and the purchasing organization. For a new customer connect with us, I mean send a request to us. It's difficult to, we're not sure, they can't understand our guidelines, or they know the details of how to send the request through the bot. So it's a issue. So if I send a request, check the sender email, it is a valid. I mean, already he's a customer on the company. Is proceed the next thing. So he's not in the customer. Then that particular mail to hand out to the admin. He's manually check those things. And second thing, calculate the balance, stock details, and remind the storekeeper. So every day run the bot. The first of all, bot check the every stock details and update to the storekeeper or admin. And second thing, outstanding balance and send remind mail to the customer. So weekly once a time, the bot checking the outstanding balance, the passing the duration period, then send to the customers directly the auto mail with the invoice number and the payment details and everything. And the other thing is prepare the quotation based on the customer queries, and prepare the invoice based on the customer purchasing order, and maintaining data and invoice data on the inventory database. So this is my process overview. The process diagram is, first of all, we start the bot automatically for the first work is doing the stock update, check the stock update, prepare the stock statement and send it to storekeeper. And second thing, they check the particular day for a weekly once a time. We assign the condition. So it is usually we using the Wednesday. If it's the Wednesday, outstanding reminder is working. Check the outstanding detail, who are the didn't pay the delayed payment. Then say the send mail to every customer. Then after that, waiting to the mail request, checking the inbox. If you receive the quotation request or a purchasing organizer, it should be understood the mail subject. Then do the work. First of all, checking quotation and everything. Suppose they send a purchasing order, product number 3. It is requesting quantity is 30, but unfortunately we have only 20. Then what reply to the create an invoice and send to the customer, but mention the lastly the unavailable quantity of this. Sorry for that, the inconvenience like that. And at the particular time is a remind to the storekeeper as well. So this is the overview project. How is it beneficial? The minimize the manual operation of the business, real-time response of the customer, improve productivity, identify enterprise-wise cost saving opportunity, standardize of the process, and increase the operation efficiency. So I run my demo. I record it. I'll show it. For now, here. Now we have that request. Now run my bot, digital time reduce management. So if I run the bot, we'll wait. first thing is to do check the stock details and availability stock details, and after that it should be moved check the outstanding balance request. Everything is sending to the mail. Now here's the stock update to the admin. Every day it should be an update. And second thing is check the remind the late payment. So invoice number, the payment amount, and so excuse letter and everything. So remind late payment. And after that, getting the request mail for the purchasing order, then prepare the purchasing invoices. Now purchasing orders are reorganized, but the product 3 and available quantity is 20. So that particular products we haven't. So mention the reply mail as well as send the admin to this. We received an order and available quantities of the details. And also the get the quotation record as well. So send a quotation for the request customer. So everything is done. This is a quotation. So this is we design the template. So this is a available stock details, the stock update. So we have the availability point for storekeeper. This is the invoice we created. That's also, this is my project, small project. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Suji, for that presentation. Lahidu, Anmol?
No questions from my side.
No questions for now. Yeah.
Okay, I just had one question here. So, Suji,
yes,
again, the same question for you. How do you plan to scale it up? What is the practical use case of this?
The practical is one of the my friend company is using the daily. They have a standard quotation because every time the production they have the medicine company as a medicine wholesaler. Every time the medicine price is increased, so every time they send a quotation, and after the checking the price list, they send a purchasing order. Then we provide the invoice to create settle the product to hand out them the customer. So this is a use case. I handle it, then automate it. But in the future, this project is not. I'm sure it's not possible to everyone because we prepare the standard template and share with every customer. It is not possible. But in future, we can develop a web application for this. Replace the web application or like a form for replace the standard template. So everyone can use the template. They fill the everything data and the quotation or purchasing order. They select the product item and the quantity and everything. Then bot receive the particular notification. Then bot automatically run and do the other things. So that is the case.
So if you do that, what is the need of RPA then?
You will send a reply to the customer at the moment. Also, if you handle
But
to
if you are
manually,
creating a web app, if you are creating a web application for getting data and everything will be done there, you can send an email from there as well. Only for a reply, why would someone invest in a license?
No, not the web application. Can we use the UiPath apps when create using through that one?
But UiPath apps, can it be exported and exposed to everyone outside of your organization who does not have access to UiPath environment, right?
Yes.
Is that a practical possibility? I know. It's for use case point of view, it's perfect, right? I'm just giving you pointers to think it through from implementation point of view. So, like all of these it takes money, right? The license cost is there. So, if you are making this open for public, do you think the cost that is incurred will justify, that behavior, or building a web app is easier and much more economical, I would say. Right,
yes.
So from use case point of view, very good. we had a saying like Bhavesh always says, you don't automate just because you have to automate. You automate because there is a need to automate, right? Use case, very good, Suji, no doubt. It talks about the pain points, everything. But from implementation point of view, maybe you want to think of it, how to implement this. Fair? Thank you so much, Suji, for your time. And I hope
Thank
you
you.
win as well. Feel free to stay on the call and join other sessions as well whenever you want, whenever you have time. Okay?